Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love conquers all. Love is blind. All you need is love. Love is never wrong. Love is the beauty of the soul. Where there is love, there is life. Love is a game that two can play. To love is to live. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. Love is the poetry of the senses. Love is friendship set on fire. True love stories never have endings. Love is a canvas furnished by nature. Love is composed of a single soul in two bodies. First love is only a little foolishness. Love is when the soul starts to sing. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. Love is the magician that pulls man out of his hat. A simple "I love you" means more than money. Love is not what you say, love is what you do. Love makes everything lovely. We accept the love we think we deserve. Love is not something you find. Love finds you. Love is the only reality. To love and be loved is everything. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Love is the strongest force the world possesses. Love is life, and if you miss love, you miss life. To love is to receive a glimpse of heaven. Love is the greatest gift of all. Love is a better teacher than duty. Love all, trust a few. Love is a promise. Love is a souvenir. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Love is a journey, not a destination. You call it madness, but I call it love. You are my today and all of my tomorrows.